The CoasTeering Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum is equipped with dual brushless motors, ensuring a long-lasting performance and efficient cleaning of your pool. With a quick charging time of only 2.5 hours, this pool vacuum offers an extended runtime of 120 minutes, allowing for comprehensive cleaning of areas up to 1,292 square feet. The powerful dual-drive motors, independent brushes, and suction ports effectively remove debris such as leaves, sand, and other particles, providing a pristine swimming environment. This pool vacuum is incredibly user-friendly, requiring no complicated setup. Simply activate it with one click and it is ready to clean. Its lightweight and compact design, coupled with cordless operation, make it versatile and convenient for both above-ground and traditional flat-floor pools. The CoasTeering Robotic Pool Vacuum provides effortless pool maintenance, ensuring a clean and healthy swimming environment with minimal effort.